AI is advancing at lightning speed. Building AI agents and apps should be just as fast. Accelerate AI development and improve the quality of your agents and apps with Azure. Azure Database for Postgres offers AI-ready infrastructure with native vector support. And innovative features make querying your data even faster and more accurate. DiskANN slashes latency and scales vector search effortlessly at 1/4 of the cost through storage optimization. Semantic Ranker boosts query accuracy thanks to intelligent models that re-rank and refine search results. GraphRag enhances search precision and improves the quality of RAG responses with graph-based retrieval. And the new Postgres extension for VS Code supercharges productivity by bringing powerful query tools straight to your code editor. Ready to save even more? The latest Azure infrastructure with AMD EPYC processors lets you scale your Postgres workloads with more transactions for less. Finally, Azure AI Foundry integration gives you access to state-of-the-art AI models and simplifies AI deployment and management. The future of AI is powered by Azure. Build, deploy, and scale AI agents and apps faster than ever with Azure Database for Postgres. Learn more at aka.ms/PostgreSQL build.